Hello everybody and welcome back to Super Tech Services. This is Brian. Got another quick video for you. We're going to be replacing an imaging unit on a Konica Bizhub C3850FS. So let's get started. So there are 4 imaging units in this machine. I'm just going to be doing the cyan today, but it pretty much is the same for all 4. So as you can see in the back there is the box I had, which was brand new. So I'm just getting it out, getting it ready. And then I will pull out the old imaging unit from the machine itself. So first thing you want to do is just get the imaging unit out and on a safe place, but don't necessarily unwrap it yet because you don't want to expose the drum so soon. So now just find the open front door. You just want to open that latch, and then you want to remove the waste toner bottle. As you can see, I tried to remove it the wrong way. Just kind of lift up on the 2 tabs there that are in blue, and it'll come right out. Then what you want to do is just move the toner lever to the left and pull the toner bottle right out. And then there's a little button that I just pointed to. You just press that down, and the imaging unit will slide right out like so. So now that one's out, I can actually remove all the tape. There's quite a bit of tape and a little plastic piece at the bottom. There's also another plastic piece that you're going to see in a minute that is attached to the drum. So just make sure, take your time, make sure you get everything out. And just be careful because you don't want to damage anything. So just be very careful. Go as slow as you need to. Remove everything. And I didn't do it in the video, but I did shake the box. You do want to shake it just a couple times to level out the developer on the inside. Okay, so right now I'm just removing this orange plastic plate. And once that's off, I can go ahead and put the unit back in. Okay, and we're good to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and slide this in. This would be a good time if you wanted to. I'd already had done this previously, is to clean the print head glass. There's a little stick that comes with the machine. You can just kind of slide it in and clean the glass. Alright, so this is really easy. You just snap it right into place and then put the toner bottle back in. Shake that as well. Put the toner bottle in and then move the lever over to the right. And reinstall your waste toner bottle, and then close the door and power on. Now I did not have the power cable on at the time, so it didn't come on, but just give it a second. I'm gonna cut the video and then we'll see when the machine is on. Alright, now that the machine's on and it warms up, it self-calibrates and everything. There are adjustments you can run if you want to. I'm just going to go into tech rep mode, which is stop 00, stop 01. And I'm just going to print a, excuse me, I'm going to print a gradation pattern on cyan just to make sure the colors look really good. You should always do that when you're replacing an imaging unit, which is print that sheet just to make sure everything's okay. If you're still having an issue, it may be another problem. It's just a good thing to do. And then there's different density settings. You can set it at 256, 1 something, and another one if you want to lighten it up. Alright, so let me just see. I was just trying to find where to go. I believe it was input output settings. And there we go for cyan. We're just going to print that. And then we'll take a look at how it looks. Right, looks like it's coming out, and we are good to go. That looks beautiful. That's the video today, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.